Here is how to buy YouTube subscribers in 2026 and get your channel moving instantly. Let's get straight into it. First, head over to nizop.com using the link in the description below. Once you're on the site, just click Login and use your Google account to get signed up and started immediately. Next, you'll need to add a little balance to your account. Go to the deposit section. You can top up using your card, crypto, and several other secure options. It's super fast, so you can start growing your channel right away. Now, go to New Order. Click the search bar and type YouTube subscribers. You'll see a few options, but go ahead and choose the fourth option. It only costs $5.25 per 1,000, which is a great deal for this kind of quality. From here, just add your YouTube channel link in the link section. For this video, let's test this with 20 subscribers. Type that in, tap Order Now, and that's it. The system starts working its magic in the background. So here's how it went and the subscribers got in. I checked back after a little bit and refreshed the page. As you can see, the numbers are climbing exactly as planned. We hit our target almost instantly. Just a quick heads up, because using a YouTube subscribers bot is technically against the platform's terms of service, you want to be smart about it and not overdo it all at once. Use it to give your channel that initial social proof. If you're ready to try this out, go to nizop.com using the link in the description below. It's the easiest way to get that momentum your channel needs. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips on growing your socials in 2026.